What's up, y'all? Sorry for the inconsistency. It's because, uh, it's because I took a couple trades last week and I ended up being negative 200 P&L after being like $400 in profit on a 4 day winning streak. But it was from like fear of missing out in revisions trading from breaking my rules. So like, it's not really a skill thing. It's just a yo, you gotta get it together type of thing. So yeah, I'm back. Boyfriend, don't get yo. So we got a low time frame, SMT. I don't want to, we got this fair value gap right here. We don't want to be jumping into this trade. We don't want to be jumping into this trade, you know, prematurely, especially when there's hourly highs right above us, and then there's pre-London. Oh no, that is London. I'm goofy. That is London lows right there. And then this is high resistance, low, high, low, and you know we can be bullish too, but it's Monday. Try to be flexible, you know. Have an open bias, you know. See if this SMT holds. All right, it looks like it's not. Yeah, it didn't hold. SMT broke skis. Hopefully something nice happens. Hopefully Monday has good price action. Let's see what we have above us. First on like the 5 minute. We already got those highs marked out on the 1 minute. I don't know why my lines always do this, bro. 6 7 2 3 1 6 7. Like, bro, look at my lines, bro. I freaking hate this freaking. I hate this prop. Well, this freaking prop firm website where I have to do this eval. It's freaking dookie. It's so limited. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? It's boring. Like I wonder what's gonna happen.
What up, energy nigga? It's Rio. Legendary shit.
Hopefully you guys can't hear the music so I don't get copyrighted. So I'm low key assuming we're bullish because you're just running through. I'm assuming we're bullish for real. Because this is an hourly high. I don't know. This is I forgot if this was like I forgot if this was a hourly high too. I forgot if this was an hourly high too. Yo, what just happened? Wait, see, bro. Like, yeah, I think that was an hourly high. Yeah, last week's hourly. Oh my gosh, bro. It's going all the way up for that other hourly high. Let's just take all this off. It's freaking messing up in the, anyway, bro. Like, look at this. It's so irritating. Like, look at this one over here tweaking. Look at ES tweaking. Not ES tweaking, but like the freaking trend line, bro. Like, why can't you just be normal? Disappointment. So what might we be having a reaction off of? I'ma probably just wait these just to see what we got a reaction off of. Okay. Okay, so ES is finally catching up. Well, not really. I look, just want to enter like right here. My fault, guys. I'm just trying to like, I'm just like, just kind of trying to focus. So we're making a bearish SMT. I mean, yeah, bearish SMT. Never mind. No, we're not. that that freaking that plan got invalidated so fast, dude. That's crazy. That plan got invalidated so fast. It's crazy. But it's just so like, oh, right there on that side of the screen. I'm not gonna do that. I don't feel like it no more. But I'm gonna do it on ES for the SMT skis. I'm being kind of slow right now. Bro, these lines, bro. See how they tweaking, bro? Like, why? Just why? It's crazy. I missed all this. Low key. I don't know why I didn't. It's crazy. bruh. It's because, guys, it doesn't allow me to like. Hold on, let me just 23523 23171 231 231 23171 252. I for 232 23253. I already forgot. 2323171. Frick, I forgot where it was. Two, three. Bro, like I think I'm just gonna have to just go between the 1 hour and see. So we sweat 1 hour. Okay, so the reason I was doing that is because if I if I try to like outline or like if I try to draw a fair value gap, if I try to draw a fair value gap, um, if I try to draw a fair value gap, my fault, dude. I'm just trying to think of like scenarios of like what what price would do if it does want to go lower. My fault. So if I would like draw a fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame and then drop down to the 1 minute, it wouldn't like pop up on the 1 minute. Unlike trading views, very likable analysis tools. Um, this is very dingy. It's looking the perfect word for this freaking platform. Dingy. It's really dingy. I don't know why, but that where it fits it perfectly. So we have a SMT and we have a displacement here. This is a, like this SMT is far off. I don't know if like the distance of the SMT plays a role in the strength of the SMT, but it just looks pretty. That's a pretty, you know, far-fetched SMT. Hopefully we come to these lows or something. That'd be a nice trade. I could just eyeball the 50%, but you know, I do wanna seem professional here. And then price just doesn't even come this way. So 18 minutes into the candle close, I guess 18 minutes into like an hourly SMT. Hourly SMT is gonna signal very, very good. Well, a stronger hourly SMT will signals, I guess. I hope a stronger selling. I hope because like doesn't it make sense? We're in a premium right now. The only other thing we could do is go into the fair value gap and then get a decent reaction from that. Like, yeah, okay, we're going into the fair value gap. Let me mark out the. That would be 23215. Okay, is this I already marked it out? I forgot. I marked it out in advance. So, Loki, this could be a good. Hmm. Well, I know for the best risk to reward, you wanna, you know, buy in the discount and sell in the premium. So I was gonna be like, this could have been a good, you know, retest and break with this, this being the CE of the hourly fair value gap plus internal liquidity. Hopefully we get a reaction from that or just the gap itself in general. Should have marked out. It doesn't matter. Never mind. Oh, this is a consequent encroachment. 23215. So if we don't get a reaction from this, I mean, yeah, I could just flip my bias and be like, yeah, let's go longs. But I'm still gonna need a good retrace. Like, what the heck type of retrace was that? So, still pushing higher here. And we don't have an SMT. Yeah, we're most likely not about to have an SMT anymore. Yup. So that happened. So, is there any other? targets to the upside. There's another. Oh no, that was the fair value gap. That was uh the CE of the fair value gap. So I literally next high is like okay. That's our like next hourly high. I don't even know if we're gonna like if this even gonna be important or what. Cause like if we get a reversal, if it's like you know these lows are far fetched, and I want confirmation. So this is telling us that we're still potentially mega bullish. Not potentially, but we are mega bullish. Low key, we could just be making low time frame order blocks. So I'm pretty sure we don't have an hourly SMT, but I bet I bet we have you know a internal low time frame SMT. So this is our low. We gotta let's see how price reacts to this low. If we get a break over that low, to be honest, I could you like mm, is it risky? Yeah. If we get a break of structure on the 52nd, I'll strongly consider entering. Very very strongly consider. And I'm fine with hitting a 1-on-1 risk to reward. Like I'm a beginner trader, right? I'm trying to focus on consistency and getting funded right now. You know, noticing the setups and all that. Freaking eyeballs. Bro, I know y'all hear all the tapping I have to do, bro. So yeah, we got a freaking 15-second bullish SMT here. Oh, we just never mind. Not anymore. So that was taken, and now we're retracing back up, which isn't, very optimal if I do want to be taking shorts. Like, if, you know, let's see what the 1 minute looks like. I mean, we're chopping, so I'm only gonna, mm, oh wait, oh wait, never mind. Yeah, cause this, yeah, we have, so, I mean, at least that's not an equal high, right? And at least we're coming in range. Not anymore. So, this is a fair value gap. Yeah, I mean, what do I have to, what the frick is this? Uh, I have internal range to aim for and high time frame for continuation. Mm, there's not even really a valid fair value gap right here. Well, I wouldn't say it's not a valid fair value gap. I just don't like it. It's just not looking like a good enough retracement for me to enter off that continuation. And yeah, I could be leaving money on the table here, but like, you know what I hate though? Like, opening Instagram and like watching everybody top tick and bottom tick, bro. Like, come on, bro. Okay, I think this is good. Let's see what we might be rejecting from. That's a high. I'm just, I want to just mark out these to like, which one could be the potential reaction. But it's so freaking many though. And like, you already see what the lines on my screen is doing. I'm only gonna do three. I'm gonna do three. Like, why is it doing that, bro? Like, I'm really finna get. It's crazy. So we got the inverse on the gap. Well, we don't. Yeah, we don't. Yeah, see, you gotta. Well, we have a displacement below the consequent encroachment. Let's see. Yep, that's not good enough because context matters deeply. So, That's the first one. See, like, why the line's doing that? Just why though? I thought I had three lines up there, and like, why is that one straight? Why am I getting mad over lines? Oh, wow, yeah. Made it all the way up to that hourly high. Is that the hourly high or? No, that isn't. I, I don't know. I forgot. No. Hmm. So I'm saying these mini retests and breaks are leading to strong trend continuations. So the next one I see, and it signals potential continuation. I'm gonna enter there and then target for the next, and target for the high. What high is this? That's just one I marked out. You understand how annoying that is? Like looking at my lines vertically stand up. Let's see if we can make an SMT off of this for a potential reversal. Not reversal, but or manipulation. Yeah, basically. So I'm gonna actually keep this there because, yeah. Bro, I'm finna open TikTok. See so many people make so much money. Well, I made none. And like, there's people out here who can like enter off like sing stuff like this from using like their fib retracement and what else? And standard deviation. Like that's all I hear, bro. Standard deviation, this and that. Why not just stick to the regular accumulation, manipulation, and distribution? I don't know if this is like a true pullback. So we did. But that's only a 1 minute. I'm not trying to go all the way over there and see if that's a SMT. That's too much work. Like, not gonna lie, I could be missing the trade, but not saying if this is an SMT. Okay, I'm kind of scared now. Cause like, what if there's an SMT over there, and then the trade just starts running? Frick. Like, do you see the things I have to do? Oh, that's not even the right. Like, this looks like a move influenced by intention. Hold on, I could just. Yo, that took way longer. So we do have a SMT, bro. Oh. Okay, I'm not too late. And plus, you know, the SMT, it still can get invalidated. Like, ES can shoot up there, bro. Like, no one knows for real. So I guess I'll just be looking for like a tap of the CE of this, see how the CE of that gets treated. Yes, I want to draw my fib out and be professional, just for it to run through it. So I feel like this is kind of where context can matter, because we have an SMT. Um, well, we have a bullish SMT on the low, or we have a bullish and a bearish SMT. Or if we tap on the consequent encroachment, it looks like we're having a good, you know, displacement from that. Never mind. Hold on. I could be buying here. Well, let's just wait for the candle close. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Mm, well, I wouldn't say I want to be buying here because we have a SMT on both sides. Oh, look what happens. We get a close within the CE. It's pretty nice. Now, if I could just see a good bearish candle close, it would probably entice me to enter more. Let's see. But the consequent, con- I forgot the word. The consequent encroachment, something like that. I freaking forgot. So it looks invalidated on ES. I don't know how to take that. Let's see if there could be equal lows on ES that could be targets. Like I wish we could get a full port done. Like imagine. Mm, not gonna lie, a break would be a good buy. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, to be honest, I don't see a reason not to buy once this candle closes. We have a break of structure plus a close over CE, and New York Stock Exchange already gave us the I wish it was like I wish my stop loss was like below this low. I probably should have used more ticks. Yeah, I probably should have used more ticks. Let's see where my take profit is from here. Hopefully it gets freaking hit. Like if it's any like near any key levels. Okay, yeah, it's near this hourly high, so I could just leave it there as a target. That really that is the target. Since we have all that confirmation for the continuation of the trend. The only thing we didn't get, my stop loss is pretty tight, which I don't like, because we got this mini fair value gap and this fair value gap right here. Um, uh, yeah, the only thing is like a break above here would be freaking nice. I don't know. I'm kind of scared. I'm very scared. Not gonna lie. Like, if I let's say I do get stopped out, I feel like let's say I get stopped out and then it does run. I feel like the only thing that really could help in this situation is like if I waited for like if I waited for if I waited for a deeper retracement, not a deeper retracement, but I waited for a retracement first, like a retracement into this fair value gap, and then I enter there. I enter at a more discounted price, closer to a swing low. Well, I don't know if that's a swing low for real. It looks like a major low, a major high, major low time frame low. So yeah, it'll and I low key like I cut like for default I use 100 ticks for my take profit and stop loss. Mm, yeah, I use 100 ticks for both default and I don't know. I was thinking of like what if I just lower the ticks, but increase the contracts. But that's low key. That was low key only for like. That's low key only for like sniper SMT entries for sniper SMT entries only. Yeah. So I forgot to adjust my ticks. That's all. That's not all. I mean, I can't say that's all I did wrong here because the trade is still running. So I can't say, yeah, that's all I did wrong. You know, to be honest, I'm trying to see like what did I do wrong because it's looking like the trade is about to like, you know, not be in my favor. And no, I'm not gonna be happy with it, but you know, I'm not gonna revenge trade or FOMO trade, you know. I mean, it looked like a good setup. I took it. So, what else could I do for real? Except, try my best to dissect what I did wrong and all that. And. So yeah, like I'm low key in the middle of trying to figure out what I did wrong, cause price doesn't look very good for me. You know, like I genuinely don't know what I did wrong. Like, like, like I don't know, bro. Like all this time, price wanna just freaking run up now as soon as I enter. I don't know. I don't know. I just if I let the trade run, I could eliminate potential issues to narrow down, uh, you know, actual issues that led to me losing the trade. You know, yeah. Bro, are you telling me this could actually be the reversal I was looking for? Dog, bro. This might actually turn into the reversal I was looking for, bro. Bro, I swear, bro. Like, bro, I'm finna. So, like, how did I not see that though? Like, how? When did I even enter, bro? Like, I obviously wasn't looking hard enough, bro. Look what I just got myself into, bro. Damn, bro, it's just crazy. Like, the reversal I was waiting for, like, is happening right before my eyes, and I didn't even realize it. And I mean, this right here, this move, I thought that was like, what if I just wanna, put it in that fair value, put it, you know, slightly below that fair value gap. Just a teensy bit, just a teensy bit of hope. And my account's not looking pretty good either. I'm like, yeah, that's it. I'm like that much right there. It's like it doesn't feel good. Like really, let's take the agony and the pain of losing like a man. Let's just take it. Just take it. No Diddy. No Diddy. That's tough though. Like I took a trade London session too, and I ended up getting stopped out on that too. Damn, damn, bro. It's just wow. I just have high standards for myself, so I don't take it lightly that I don't take it lightly that I lost. I just want to see what price does, like right after tagging my stop loss. So like this is the second time price is just 100 my stop loss, and then it just went towards the direction I placed an entry. So like I'm genuinely trying to figure out like how early do I have to enter a trade to not get stopped out. Like at that point, like to be honest, I'd feel way better if it like if it just continued down. I feel way better. But if it just like if it actually goes in the like direction I wanted it to go, after taking me out like that, I don't know how to feel about that. Yeah, but most important thing is I'm not gonna revenge trade or take fear of missing out trades because I'm like in this negative P&L because I was taking you know fear of missing out trades and um revenge trades. So yeah. But I'm in the video. I'm gonna keep watching price to see what it does. I'm not gonna take any more trades. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video.